This video demonstrates a brazing process performed with Ketchun's advanced induction brazing system on copper tubes, manifolds, and fittings sent by our customer. You can clearly see the brazing alloy melting and flowing smoothly into the joint by capillary action, forming a strong metallurgical bond. By precisely controlling the heating temperature and timing, every joint achieves full penetration and perfect consistency across the entire assembly. At the end of the video, you can observe the clean and solid appearance of the brazed workpiece after cooling, a testament to the stability and reliability of Ketchun's induction brazing technology. Want to learn more? Visit our website or contact us anytime. Ketchun, your reliable partner in advanced brazing solutions.